cardiovascular system is fundamental to how the body functions, regulating heart health, brain health, and physical performance. Every minute, the heart pumps approximately 5 liters of blood around a vast network of arteries, capillaries, and veins, supplying our cells with oxygen. Maintaining this complex system is key to our overall health and well-being.
It is very important to maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. The whole body really depends on normal and healthy blood flow.
Like any tissue, the cardiovascular system goes through an aging process. One of the hallmarks of this process is that blood vessels become less elastic. Elasticity is critical to the healthy function of blood vessels and therefore healthy blood flow.
Decreased elasticity and increased stiffness in our arterial system compromises blood flow, and this can impact the entire body.
Diet has a big impact. The dietary choices we make in terms of the types of foods, the types of fats we consume, the types of nutrition that we take in can actually influence our blood pressure, and it can influence the aging of our endothelial cell lining in these blood vessels.
A significant body of research points to the potential of new dietary approaches to cardiovascular health. Research shows that consumption of flavanols, a naturally occurring plant-derived nutrient, can support the function of our blood vessels, helping to maintain a healthy heart and enhance cardiovascular performance.
Flavanols are found in a variety of different foods, including tea, grapes, wine, blueberries, and many more. But of all of these, cocoa and certain types of cocoa is the richest source of flavanols that we know that are most biologically active. We do know that there are certain types of flavanols in cocoa that actually can influence the function of our circulatory system.
Vascular function and specifically endothelial function is positively affected by flavanols, and we also have evidence suggesting that repair mechanisms might be positively affected. And we as cardiovascular physicians are very much interested in how flavanols contribute to cardiovascular health.
Recent research has narrowed the focus to one particular cocoa flavanol molecule, minus epicatechin.
When we consume minus epicatechin from a food source like cocoa, most of it is actually transformed into what we call metabolites. The metabolites of minus epicatechin can maintain healthy blood pressure. We've observed that they can maintain healthy blood flow and a range of other activities, but it's these metabolites of minus epicatechin that are really the actors on the stage, which is our body.
One of the mechanisms that's gained the most traction is that what flavanols do is they increase nitric oxide, which is a vasodilator, and that helps maintain a healthy blood flow, healthy endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels.
Nitric oxide is produced by endothelial cells, which are these cells that are the inner layer of the blood vessel. And nitric oxide, when it is produced by these cells, it's like a signaling director, a traffic cop, if you will. It tells the blood vessel wall whether to expand or contract, to be elastic.
We embarked upon the Cocoa Supplement and Multivitamin Outcome Study, otherwise known as COSMOS, to evaluate whether taking a supplement daily that has cocoa flavanols in it over the course of 4 years of treatment and follow-up would reduce the risk of major cardiovascular events over time.
Well, the cocoa flavanols are not the same thing as chocolate. Chocolate is a wonderful treat, but it's not a reliable source of cocoa flavanols. So there are cocoa flavanol products available that don't have the sugar, the fat, or the calories, and these are the products that have been tested in many of the recent small-scale randomized trials suggesting benefits for reducing risk of heart disease and stroke and also avoiding memory loss.